let's start off with your standard identities. So these are a set of things that you need to memorize. It will help you solve things faster. If you don't remember this, even then you can do the math. Just that it will make things faster. That's it. So here are around 8 of your standard identities. So of course we have quite a few more. We'll not discuss more than this. This is good enough to start off with. So we're going to start off with a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square, and then you'll have a test, then this 2 and a test, then this 4 and a test. So first is let's understand what is an identity. Right? Let's define identity. It's an equation that is true no matter what value we replace the variables with. So let's have a look at the explanation. A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So these two are said to be identity because in place of a, right, let me write the formula. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So in place of a, if I'm going to substitute p, in place of b I'm going to substitute q, right? So b plus q the whole square is equal to p square plus 2p cube plus q square, right? So the identity continues to be true even though the variables are changed. I just changed the name, to be frank. So if you want to use symbols like quadrilateral and a circle square, okay, let me not take circle. If I do take a circle, I would put a dot. Yeah, I think that will work. So this is nothing but a quadrilateral square plus 2 into quadrilateral value into circle's value plus circle square, right? So again, that's why this is called as an identity, because even if you replace with anything, any other variable or any other value, it will hold good. That's why it's called as an identity. So I would like to explain this. P plus q the whole square is not just equal to p square plus q square. I've seen these kids who have scored 80% in math, right? In the 7th grade, 8th grade, still they write this in the 9th and 10th. So on an average, they are scoring good marks. But such formula, when you change variables, if you write such formulas, means you not understood it, you just memorized it. So don't make such mistakes. Okay? So we are not just telling you what you have to learn, we are also telling you what is that you can go wrong with, and where is the general pattern of someone going wrong. Got it? So now p plus q the whole square is p square plus q square. Then we have use any variable, x plus y the whole square will be x square plus y square plus 2xy. Okay? So p square plus q square is nothing but whatever we wrote over here. That's the right formula. And here I have written x square plus y square plus 2xy, but not x square plus 2xy plus y square. Well, both are same. You don't need to worry about anything. Both are same. Okay? So use any variable, this will hold true. Right? So I would like to verify this with number. So how do you verify? We have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS, that is, we get a true statement. So we know that 14 can be written as 10 plus 4, is it not? Right, quite simple. So now 14 square, as per that logic, should be equal to 10 plus 4 the whole square. Make sense? It's the same thing, is it not? Now let me take LHS. Right, I taught you the trick. You can always segregate things and solve it. 14 square is, if you remember it, it's around 196. It's 196. Now we're looking at RHS. So we have RHS to be 10 plus 4 the whole square. Of course, with board mass, we have to solve the bracket first and then square it, right? Brackets and then order or operation. But instead of that, let me use the identity wherein we have A plus B the whole square is equal to, tell as and when I write, you guys have to tell it out loud, right? Now, in this case, what is A and what is B? If you look at the pattern, if you map it, square is square, bracket, bracket, positive, positive. So A will be what? 10 and B is 4, right? Yes, I heard you guys, you were right, good. 10 plus 4, and yes, few of you guys didn't tell, that also I got to notice. Okay, stop smiling, look at the screen. 10 square plus 2 into 10 plus 4 plus 4 square. Now, out loud again. What is 10 square? 100. 2 into 10 into 4. 4. Correct? 80. 16. Now, the sum of this, we can see that LHS is equal to RHS, and thus it's verified. Hence verified. Is it not? So you approach math in any direction. If you're doing it right, you will get the answer. Okay. Now, few more application. When I tell application, it just, you're going to expand the formulas. That's it. Right? So let me copy the formula, because this is one thing which you need to understand. Whenever using any formula, you need to see to that you mention it. Right? As in now we are entering the syllabus, we're almost there. So we should make use of how to write answers. Presentable, right? So, okay, this is the formula which we'll be using. Now, the question is to find, expand 4x plus 10 the whole square. So this is the identity being used. So you need to write that identity. Here, A is equal to what and B is equal to what? Yes, A is equal to 4x and B is equal to 10. Right? Therefore, we have this, you can put it in brackets, 4x the whole square plus 2 into 4x into 10 plus 10 square. Okay. Now, 4x the whole square is what? 4x into 4x. Is it not? 4x into 4x, which is nothing but 16x square, plus this is, right, 80x plus 100, and that's your expansion. That's it. Okay. So next question. Now at least try to pause and do it yourself. So the question, and next step is your, yes, identity. You need to mention the identity being used. What is A and what is B? Oh, sorry, this is negative. A minus B the whole square, right? So this is minus and this is minus. So what is A over here? Look at the pattern, right? So guys, you should forget about square, forget about bracket, you need to forget about bracket. So we have, oh yeah, and also the sign. Now just look at A and B and tell. So A is 2A by 3 and B is what? 6. And you guys might feel that what happened to negative? Well, the formula is going to take care of the negative sign. Now just substitute. So we have, therefore, we have 2a by 3 the whole square. So the formula is minus 2 into 2a by 3 into b plus b squared. So as for board mass, well, each term you can use apply board mass. So 2a the whole square is 4a square by 9. Why? Let me show it over here. 2a by 3 the whole square is, yes, someone can tell, please tell. Yes, 2a by 3 into 2a by 3. So we have 2 into 2 is 4, a into a is a square, and 3 into 3 is 9. Next one. So here I can cancel because 3 and 6 has 3 as its common factor, right? So 3 ones are 3, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 is 8a plus 6 square is 36. Okay, so we have this as your answer. Now here we have both the formulas. Okay, so here too we need to write the formulas, we can't help it. But one thing which you can do is we can expand it separately and add them up if you feel like. If not, you can just directly do it. Not a big deal, because it's kind of simple, is it not? I would generally suggest divide it up, solve it by part, and then do whatever is required. Okay, so let's directly mention the formula first, because we are going to use that formula. You can mention that. If not, you can go with your traditional way of first writing the question and then writing the formula. Because we are using both the formulas, we need to mention that. Okay, so this is negative. See, please see the pattern. Many people write minus b squared. No, once in a while they write. So again, all these mistakes should not be happening, at least not now, you know. So in this case, first case, it's a and b are 2a by 3 and 4 by 5. Here a and b are 2a by 3 and 4 by 5. Right? So let's expand that. So 2a by 3 minus 4 by 5 the whole square is second formula. That is 2a by 3 minus 4 by 5 the whole square. Sorry, I should be expanding it. 2a by 3 the whole square minus 2 into 2a by 3 into b plus 4 by 5 the whole square. Is it not? Okay. Next is plus, that's the symbol, is it not? You have a plus over there, I wrote that plus. And the next expansion is 2a by 3 the whole square plus over here 2 into 2a by 3 into 4 by 5 plus 4 by 5 the whole square. Okay, I'll show you one trick. See, 2 into 2a by 3 into 4 by 3 is same as 2 into 2a by 3 4 by 3. You don't need to calculate. There is a plus, there is a minus. Cut madi. Just cut it off. Okay, don't think too much, you can directly cut. So see, we saved a lot of working. So this is how you have to do math in the future. Do less of calculation, use more of identity, and be smarter. Right, now 2a by 3 the whole square and 2a by 3 the whole square will give you 2 into 2a by 3 the whole square. Is it not? So 2a by 3 will become 4a square by 9. We have done this calculation over here. Right? On a similar line, 4 by 5 whole square plus 4 by 4 whole square is 2 into 4 by 5 the whole square, which can be written as 4 by 5 into 4 by 5. Of course, you can even skip this altogether and directly write the answer. 8a square by 9 plus 16 numerator I'm multiplying. 16 to the 16 2s are 32, 25, right? 155 is 25. Done. Not too hard. Now we have, it's just a matter of using the formula and substituting it. So, right, there's nothing different happening over here. I mean, I'm done with it. I'm just showing you so that you guys pause and practice. It's not even that I have to teach you guys this. So I'm writing the relevant formula. So this is a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. That's the only formula used over here. Again, pause it and try, because if you're just looking at the screen, it's of no use. Pakka, 100%. So we have this is equal to, so a in this case is 2x the whole square. I need not use that actually. And some people write just 2x square. That's different. 2x the whole square is what you have to write. Right? Please watch exponent if you don't understand what I just said. Whole square and just square of 2x square versus 2x the whole square. There's a difference. Minus 2 into 2x into 4 plus 4 square, the first term, plus x square minus 2 into, in this case a is x and b is 3. Again, negative sign is taken care by the formula, so I can neglect it. Plus 9 square. I just have to solve this. So this is nothing but you have 4x square in the first term minus 2 4 16x plus 16 plus x square. Let me write it over here itself. Minus 6x plus 81. Right? So like terms. Well, I paired the like terms. I just need to add and subtract as and when what is required. So this is, there's no number over here. So by default it is, if there is no number, by default it is 1. So 4x square, 1x square is 5x square. So here both are negative like terms. I need to add them. 22x. This is 97. And that is your answer. Okay. Few more questions. Again, it's just for practicing. Mainly it's not for me showing, it's for you guys doing. So pause the video and try the next set of questions as well. Now we are looking at square roots and fractions and stuff. Okay. So the question is root of 3 into a plus root of 5 the whole square. Now we need to write the formula. So here a is root of 3 into a, b is root of 5, right? So all I have to do is what? Substitute, that's it. So we have root of 3a the whole square plus 2 into 3a into root 3a into root of 5 plus root 5 the whole square. This is where your exponent skills will come in handy. Root 3a into root 3a is 3a square. Okay, so I'll repeat why. See, simple. Root 3 into root 3 is root 3 the whole square. And you remember root 3 is nothing but half, is it not? 1 by 2 the whole square. And you know what formula to use over here. E to the power of n whole to the power of m, which is nothing but a to the power of n into m, is it not? So as per that, 2 and square will get cancelled and you have 3. So that's why this answer is right. 2 into, there's nothing else I can multiply. 2 into root 3 into root 5, same root, same power, so I can multiply the bases. So 3 into 5, that is 15 into a. Okay, right? So this 2 is 5. Square and square root gets cancelled. This is square root and that square, they get cancelled, and you have 5. No like terms, that is your answer. Again, if you don't try, we won't be able to do much, learn much actually. Write the formula and again mentally find out what is A and B. A is 4p by 5 and B is 15. Okay, so we are going to substitute. A square is 4p by 5 the whole square plus 2 into 4p by 5 into B plus 15 square. Okay, so now I'm squaring 4p by 5, that is numerator has to be multiplied with numerator. 14 into 14 is 16, p into p is p square, 5 into 5 is 25, right? Plus, I can simplify this a bit further. 5 1s are 5 3s are. HCF being 5, I can cancel with 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1, 15 divided by 5 is 3. 6, 24p plus 225. Okay, and that's your answer, right? The last question, not too hard, just bit of variables, that's it. So formula being used. So in this case, A is what? PQ. B is QR. Close the bracket. Now substitute. We have PQ the whole square plus 2 into PQ into QR plus QR the whole square plus the next term is 4 PQ square R. Oh sorry, this is negative now. So PQ square is P square Q square minus, we have 2 into PQ into QR is 2 PQ square R plus Q square R square plus 4 PQ square R. Okay, so we have P square Q square. So this is subtraction. These are like terms, is it not? Right, these are like terms, and this 2 will solve to positive 2, sorry, because these are like terms and we have positive sign being the bigger one. So positive 2 PQ square R plus Q square